Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue. While launching the Valorant, you got an error code VAN43. There was an error connecting to the platform. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here applist.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now right over here, you need to press the B key to find an install program with the name Bonjour. It's an Apple program, so select it and click on the option uninstall. Once it is uninstalled, go ahead and relaunch the game and this will completely fix out the issue. Although, if this fails to work out, in next step, first of all, you need to launch the Valorant. After launching the Valorant, click on start menu and type in event viewer. Open it. Now once you get the error VAN43, from the left pane, click on the option Windows log, expand it and click on the option applications. Now once the error is occurred, right over here, at the top of the list, you will find that particular error. You need to double click to open it and right over here, you will find the error message. For example, you will see an error message like this, that faulty application is Valorant and the faulty module name is nimdnsresponder.dll underscore unloaded. So the issue is with this particular file name .dll underscore unloaded. Now to resolve this particular issue, click on start menu, type cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Now in command prompt, you need to type in few commands one by one. Here the list of commands that you need to type. Copy the first command and paste right in the cmd. Now instead of file name, you need to type in the faulty module name. For example, the faulty module name in this error message is responder.dll and in case of Bonjour, the faulty module name is mdnsnsp.dll. Once you type in that particular file name, hit the enter key to find that particular file path. Now these are the two paths. Copy both the paths and paste right in this notepad. Now what you need to do is to replace these file paths one by one in these three commands. Copy the path and right over here replace the file path by pasting the control V key. Again here is file path, delete and replace it, and again file path, delete and replace the file path. Now these three commands are ready. Copy each command one by one, paste right in the cmd and hit the enter key. You need to paste these three commands one by one right in the cmd. Once these three commands are completed, then you need to replace the second file path right in these three commands. After replacing, again paste right over here and hit the enter key. And one more thing friends, if you are getting a delete error, then you need to perform these commands only in the safe mode because that particular program is currently running and that's why you are not able to delete that particular file. So restart your system in the safe mode and perform these three commands one by one and in turns this will fix out the issue. After performing the commands, click on start menu, choose cmd and choose the option run as administrator. Type here a command netsh winshock reset catalog and hit the enter key. After doing so, restart your PC, relaunch your Valorant after restarting the PC and the issue of when error code VAL43 will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.